भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। रूपकार्यसमाख्याश्च विद्यन्ते तत्र तत्र वै आकाशस्य न भेदोऽस्ति तद्वज्जीवेषु निर्णयः। पेज नंबर 138, sixth Karika. So we saw the introduction to the Karika. Akasha, even though has different name, Karya and Rupa, mean attributes, but Akasha is not Bhinna. There is no Tattvika Bheda. In the same way, between Jiva and Ishvara, there is no Tattvika Bheda. The Bheda is only in Vyavahara. Purvapakshi's Anumanam was there, Vimata Jivaha Tattvato Vidyante. Bhinna Namakatvat, Bhinna Karyakaratvat, Bhinna Rupatvat, Ghatapatadivat. So Siddhanti ji said Tattvataha na Vidyante. Ghatakasha Drishtanta is there. In that there is Anaikantikatva. Anaikantikatva means there is Vyabhichara. Vyabhichara means Hetu is there, Sadhya is not there. What is the Hetu? Bhinna Namakatvam, Bhinna Karyakaratvam, Bhinna Rupatvam, etc. But Sadhya, Tattvataha Bheda is not there. Is this much is clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we are moving forward. Ujyate ityadina. In Bhashya, page 139, first line. Ujyate. यथेह आकाश एकस्मिन् घट करक अपवरक आदि आकाशानां अल्पत्व महत्वादि रूपाणि विद्यन्ते तथा कार्यम उदक आहरण धारण शयनादि समाख्याश्च घटाकाश करकाकाश इत्याद्याः तत्कृताश्च भिन्नाः दृश्यन्ते तत्र तत्र वै व्यवहार विषये इत्यर्थः। सो स्टार्टिंग विथ यथा इह आकाशे, आकाश मीन्स आकाशे, जस्ट एज इन द आकाश, सिद्धांति से एकस्मिन् इन वन आकाश घट करक अपवर्कादि आकाशानां। सो घटाकाश करक आकाश अपवर्क आकाश। घट यू नो, करक टिप्पणी से कमंडल, अपवर्क मठ मीन्स रूम। सो घटाकाश करकाकाश अपवर्क आकाश आकाशानां अल्पत्व महत्वादि रूपाणि। अल्पत्व महत्व रूप, then कार्य. What is their karyam? Ghatakasha is for udaka aharana dharana. Karaka akasha is can be used for udaka, can be also be used for bhojana. In Kamandalu they carry bhojana sometimes. And apavaraka akasha means the room akasha of mathakasha is for shayana. Ghatakasha cannot be for shayana. Karaka akasha cannot be for shayana. It is specific usage. So these are the karya. Then samakhyas, ghatakasha, karakakasha, mathakasha, ityadi. इत्याद्याः तत्कृताश्च भिन्नाः दृश्यन्ते. घटाकाश करकाकाश, they are also seen differently. तत्र तत्र वै means in टिप्पणी second number, घटेन जलम आहर करके जलम धारय मठे शेष्व मीन्स स्लीप इति एवं आदौ व्यवहार इति यावत्. टीका शयनादि समाख्याश्च विद्यन्ते इति संबंध. घटाकाश करकाकाश इत्याद्याः देर शयनादि समाख्याश्च, शयन आकाश समाख्याः विद्यन्ते और शयनादि समाख्याश्च देर यू हैव टू पुट विद्यन्ते. But actually samakhyas are ghatakasha is the samakhya, is the name. Karakakasha is the name. In the same way, shayana kaksha, you can say, is the name. तत्कृताश्च इति अत्र तत्शब्देन विकल्पितो घटाकाश भेदो गृह्यते. तत्कृताश्च means घटकृत, अपवर्ककृत, करककृत, आकाश and their भेद विकल्पितो घटाकाश भेदो गृह्यते. We do kalpana, this is different, that is different, etc. Chakaro avadharanartha. Chakar is for avadharana. Where is chakara? That घटाकाशादीनां द हेतुत्वेऽपि विपक्षत्व अभावे कथम अनैकान्तिकत्वम् इति आशंका. पूर्वपक्षी आशंका. घटाकाशादीनां उक्त हेतुत्वेऽपि, okay, they have this ukta hetutva means भिन्न नाम, भिन्न रूप, भिन्न कार्य इत्यादि. विपक्षत्व अभावे. What is विपक्ष? निश्चित साध्य अभावान विपक्ष, where साध्य अभाव is निश्चित, साध्य is तत्वतो भेद, essentially difference, इसको तत्वतो भेद, निश्चित साध्य अभाव. पूर्व पक्षी says in Ghatakash Hetu is there, but there is no Nishchaya of Sadhya, there it is not there. That Tattvataha Bheda is not there. How do you know? You are saying that, and then you are saying Anaikantikatvam ityadi. So Ghatakashadinam Ukta Hetutve api Vipakshatva Abhave Katham Anaikantikatvam Katham Vyabhichara. क्या शक है? See, if it is vipaksha, then you cannot show vyabhichara. Only if it is paksha, then you can show vyabhichara. Only if it is paksha, and of course in drashtanta. So drashtanta, if there is vyabhichara, then it will be invalid drishtanta. It will be called sadhya vaikalyam. There it will not be called vyabhichara. In drishtanta, if sadhya is not there, hetu is there, it will be called sadhya vaikalyam. Only in paksha, if hetu is there, sadhya is not there, it will be called vyabhichara. And if it is vipaksha, where sadhya abhav is there, vipaksha cannot be used for this kind of vyabhichara. So, Purvapakshi says, Ghatakashadinam ukta hetutve vipakshatva abhave. It is not vipaksha and it is not in drashtanta. How do you say anaikantikatvam? Sadhya is not there. So, भाष्यकार now. सर्वो अयम आकाशे रूपादि भेदकृतो व्यवहारो न परमार्थ एव. All this व्यवहार in आकाश is not paramartha. न परमार्थ है. रूपादि भेदकृतो व्यवहारो न परमार्थ. व्यवहारो 3rd number टिप्पणी. व्यवहार भेद, different kind of व्यवहार for different आकाश. सिद्धांति से it is not पारमार्थिक. परमार्थतः तु आकाशस्य न भेदो अस्ति. परमार्थतः भेद is not there. So sadhya is not there and hetu is there, and this is nishchita. This is known. So, okay, how you should understand? Vipaksha means sadhya abhava nishchaya if we can do. Sadhya is not there. Hetu is there. Then there you can show vyabhichara. Okay, if I said something incorrect earlier, then you correct it. If sadhya is not there, is certain in vipaksha, there you can show vyabhichara. You can also show vyabhichara in any place where you have nishchaya of sadhya abhava. That will become vipaksha. What is in paksha is not decided yet. Because in paksha, sadhya is sandigdha. So in vipaksha only you will have to show vyabhichara. परमार्थतस्तु आकाशस्य न भेदो अस्ति. सूक्ते अर्थे तृतीयं पादं विभजते. 3rd पादं was आकाशस्य न भेदो अस्ति. न च आकाश भेद निमित्तो व्यवहारो. अस्ति अंतरेण परोपाधिकृतं द्वारम्. So you have to read this way. परोपाधिकृतं द्वारम् अंतरेण आकाशभेद निमित्तो व्यवहारो न अस्ति. Without having a gateway of upadhi, आकाश भेद निमित्त व्यवहार is not there. So आकाश भेद निमित्त व्यवहार is there only because of upadhi. घटाकाश, महाकाश, करकाकाश इत्यादि is only because of upadhi bheda. In Akasha, there is no Bheda. In the instrument or the object which conditions Akasha, in that there is Bheda. Paropadi Shabdena Ghatakarakadir Uchyate. In Tika it is given. Para Upadi means, Para means you can say that which is different from Akasha, such Upadi. घटकरकादि उच्यते. दृष्टान्तमनुद्य दार्ष्टान्तिकं व्याचष्टे. Having explained दृष्टान्त, दार्ष्टान्तिकं is explained व्याचष्टे. यथा एतत् तद्वत् देहोपाधि भेदकृतेषु जीवेषु घटाकाशस्थानीयेषु आत्मसु निरूपणात् कृतो बुद्धिमद्भिर्निर्णयो निश्चय इत्यर्थः. घटाकाशस्थानीयेषु आत्मसु यथा एतत्, just as this is the case, तद्वत् in the same way, देहोपाधि भेदकृतेषु जीवेषु, Jiva who has Deha as the Upadhi. Deha means Sthula Sukshma both. They are the Upadhi. Tat Kriteshu Vedeshu. These Jivas are Ghatakasha Sthaniya. Ghatakasha Sthaniyeshu Jiveshu. Atmasu Nirupanat Krito Buddhimadbhir Nirnayo Nishchaya. So the Bheda is because of the Upadhi in Atma. And Ghatakasha, Karakakasha, Mathakasha, like we say, Jiva 1, Jiva 3. Then we give name, Devadatta, Yajnadatta. Nirupanat, Krito Buddhimadbhir Nirnayo Nishchaya. So this Nirnaya is done by wise people, Gaudapadacharya, that the Bheda is Mithya, it is Upadhikrita in Jiva. Further, Purvapakshi again has the Shankar. Ghatakashadinam vipakshatva abhavam ashankya pariharati. Ghatakashadi, how will they become vipaksha? Means, how do you say that the sadhya is not there in there? Tattvataha Bheda in Ghatakasha is not there. This ashanka, then it's parihara. Because in shloka, already ashanka parihara is there. So, for Anand Giriji does not introduce. Bhashyakar will introduce the Shanka, etc. Nakashasya ghatakasho vikara vayavo yatha naivatmana sada jivo कारावयवौ तथा. घटाकाशः आकाशस्य न विकारावयवौ यथा तथा जीवः आत्मनः सदा विकारावयवौ नैव. Just as Ghatakasha is not Vikara of Akasha, is not Avayava of Akasha. Ghatakasha is Akasha. In the same way, Jiva is not Vikara of Atma, is not Avayava of Atma, means Paramatma. Jivatma is not Vikara of Paramatma, Avayava of Paramatma. Jivatma is Paramatma. Vikara is Parinama, modification. Avayava means part. So it is not that Ghatakasha, Mahakasha is big. Ghatakasha is part of it. This is Avayava. It is not like that. And Mahakasha is there. Parinama of that will become Ghatakasha. That is also not. So Parinama Bhava is not there. Angangi Bhava is not there. Parinama Bhava means Dvaita, Vishishta Dvaita. And Angangi Bhava is Dvaita. You say none of this is there. Angangi also can be Vishishta Dvaita. So all are refuted basically. Tika. Ghatakashadihi akashasya vikaro avayavo va iti angikara. If you accept that Ghatakasha, Adi means Karakakasha, Mathakasha, etc. They are Akashasya Vikara. They are the Vikar of Akasha or Avayava. Ityadi Angikarat. Tatrapi Bhedasya Tatvikatvat. There also Bheda will be Tatvika. 5 number tippani. Bhedasya Tatvikatvat. Ghatakashadinam Mahakasha Vikaratva Abhipagame Tad Avayavatva Abhipagameva Avayavito Bheda Bhavepi Ghatakashadinam Parasparam Bhedasya Tatvikatvad ityartha. Ghatakashadinam Mahakasha Vikaratva Abhipagame. Ghatakasha, let us say, is Vikara of Mahakasha. Or it is part. Tad avayavatva abhyupagameva. Mahakasha is there, Ghatakasha is avayava. Then avayavitaha bheda bhavepi. Ghatakasha nam paraspara bhedasya tatvikatva. So, let's say all are Vikaras or all are Avayava, all Ghatakasha. They may not have Bheda with the Mahakasha because they will have Bheda Sahishnua Bheda with Mahakasha. But mutually they will have Bheda. Avayavitaha with respect to Avayavi, Panchami Vibhakti. Bheda Bhava. There is no Bheda between Vikara or Avayava and Mahakasha. But Ghatakashadinam Paraspara Bheda, mutually they will have Bheda. That Bheda will become Tatvika. Tatvikatvat na Vipakshata. So he says Bheda is Tatvika. If Bheda is Tatvika, Sadhya is there, then it is not Vipaksha. Purvapakshi is saying. Ghatakashadihi akashasya vikaro avayavo va iti angikarat. तत्रापि भेदस्य तात्विकत्वात् न विपक्षता इति श्लोकस्य व्यावर्त्यं चोद्यम. Chodyam means akshepa. The akshepa which is there, which is eliminated by this shloka. So Purva Pakshi's akshepa, Gaudapadacharya's shloka removes that akshepa. Chodyam uthapayati nanu iti. Nanu tatra paramarthakrita eva ghatakashadishu रूप कार्यादि भेद व्यवहार इति. पूर्वपक्षी शंका इति. इसे तत्र परमार्थकृत एव घटाकाशादिषु रूप कार्यादि भेद व्यवहार इति. परमार्थकृत. So the रूप कार्य समाख्या in घटाकाश करकाकाश is paramarthika. Means actual वस्तु स्वरूप प्रयुक्त Vidyartha. Iti. Siddhanti said, Naitadastha. See, the difference in Bhashyakar and in Anand Giriji's Tika, right? Anand Giriji said it is Vipaksha Shanka, then Vyavritti, etc. Bhashyakar doesn't use Anumana. Means he doesn't write in his mind. He is going through that. He doesn't mention those things. So Bhashya is easy, relatively. Because there is no Vyapti and Vipaksha and Naitadasti. Tika. Akashasya nirvikaratvam niravayavatvam cha lokasiddham grihitva pariharati. This is lokasiddha. What? Akasha is nirvikara. Nirvikar vastu cannot have vikara. Niravayava vastu cannot have avayava. So that's all. Nirvikaratvam, niravayavatvam. Everybody knows. Means even Nyaya accepts this. Taking that only as the argument, grihitva pariharati akshepa. Akshepa pariharati. Yasmat paramartha akashasya ghatakasho na vikaraha. Paramartha akasha means laukika paramartha. Paramartha means, here it is the anaupadika mahakashasya. Mahakasha, which is without upadhi, which is laukika paramartha, not paramarthika paramartha. Laukika paramartha means vyavaharik. Ghatakasha is not its vikara. Yatha. So you see now there is anumanam. Paramartha akashasya ghatakasho na vikaraha. Ghatakasha is not vikara of paramartha akasha. This is the pratigya. Now you have to give drishtanta. See the drishtanta. Yatha suvarnasya ruchakadihi. Suvarna, gold. Ruchaka is abhushana. Ruchakam. Grivabharanam. Samvyavarikam va. Samvyavarikam va rupakam. Nishka paraparyayam. Grivabharanam means necklace. Samvyavarikam va rupakam. Nishka paraparyayam. This must be something that you wear in the bracelet or armlet. Assuming all of them are called ruchakam. Ruchakam because they are ruchikaram. They give delight when people wear those things. यथा वा अपाम येन बुद्बुद हिमानिः व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत वैधर्म्य दृष्टांत सुवर्णस्य रुचकादिः विकारः अपाम फेन बुद्बुद हिमादिः विकारः न तथा घटाकाश आकाशस्य विकारः. In this way you read. टीका तत्र वैधर्म्य उदाहरण द्वयम् आह. वैधर्म्य उदाहरण. So here Bhashyakar says Suvarna is Vikara or Abhushana. Suvarna's Vikara is Abhushana. Abhushana is Vikara of Suvarna. Or Phena Budbuddha, etc. They are Vikara of Jalam. But this Parinama is not like absolute Parinama. Because if you see, as far as Tattva is concerned, Suvarna remains Suvarna. You feel that there is some change in the Rupa. But really there is no change. Similarly, Jalam. So there some Vikara means it looks different forms. It becomes ice, etc. So in that way, this Vikara definition you have to take. And that's why our Vivarta Drishtanta is Rajju Sarpa or Swapna. That is Vivarta. All this will become Vikara. Or Akasha is also Vivarta only. Ghata Ghatakashadihi Akashakhyasya Mahakashasya Avayavo न भवति इति अत्र व्यतिरेक दृष्टान्तः. घटाकाशादिः आकाशाख्यस्य महाकाशस्य अवयवो न भवति. In that व्यतिरेक दृष्टान्त is given नापि अवयवो यथा वृक्षस्य शाखादि. Ghatakasha is not part of Mahakasha. Yatireka Drishtanta is just as Yatha Vrikshasya Shakhadihi. So how will you explain? Just as Shakha is part of Vriksha. Avayava. Vriksha is Avayavi. Shakha is Avayava. In the same way, Akasha, Ghatakasha is not part of Mahakasha. Unlike Drishtanta, here also. Vaidharmya Drishtanta. Ukta Drishtantanam Darshtantikam. Now Darshtantika is above the Akasha. Now Tatha, Darshtantika means sea. Mukhya Darshtanta is of Jivatma Paramatma. For that example is Ghatakasha Mahakasha. To explain that, he gives example of Suvarna, Jala, Vriksha. Suvarna and Jala for Vikara, Vriksha for Avayava. In this Ghatakashasya Mahakasham Prati Vikaratvam Avayavavatvam Vikaratvam Avayavattvam cha nasti iti uktam. Ghatakashasya Mahakasham Prati. What's Mahakasha? Vikaratva is not there, Avayavatva is not there. Iti uktam drishtantatvena anudya. Is having explained through Drishtanta Akasha Anudya Darshtantikam Darshayan Uttarardam Vyakarati. Darshtantikam Darshayan, while showing the Darshtanta, Uttarardam means second line. He is explaining the second line of the Tika, of the Karika. न तथा आकाशस्य घटाकाशो विकारावयवौ यथा तथा नैवात्मनः परस्य परमार्थसतः महाकाशस्थानीयस्य घटाकाशस्थानीयो जीवः सदा सर्वदा आकाशस्य घटाकाशो विकारावयवौ न तथा. न तथा means first he compares with Suvarna, Apam, Vriksha. Just as it is those things, it is there in those. Unlike them, it is in Akasha. Na tatha. Akashasya ghatakasho vikaravayo yatha. Then yatha akashasya ghatakasho vikaravayo na tatha naivatmana. Then the Atma. Dashtandika. नैवात्मनः परस्य परमार्थसतो महाकाशस्थानीयस्य घटाकाशस्थानीयो जीवः आत्मनः परस्य आत्मा means paramatma paramarthasatah which is paramarthasat absolute reality महाकाशस्थानीयस्य which is equivalent to mahakasha घटाकाशस्थानीय is जीव सदा सर्वदा यथोक्त दृष्टांतवत just as the example is given. Which example you have to take? Suvarna or Apam or Vriksha?
Vikara, Suvarna and Apam.
Wrong. Yathokta drishtantavат. So here drishtanta you have to take Akasha. Like in Akasha, see, that's what is here. Mahakasha sthaniyasya घटाकाश स्थानीय जीव सदा सर्वदा यथोक्त दृष्टांतवत न विकारो नापि अवयव. Just as Ghatakasha is not vikara of Mahakasha, not avayava of Mahakasha. In the same way, Jivatma is not vikara of Paramatma, not avayava of Paramatma. Clear?
Yes, sir.
टीका अनैकान्तिकत्वेन अनुमानस्य अमानत्वे स्थिते फलितम्. So anaikantikatva was the dosha shown by Siddhanti or Purvapakshi. In the Purva Shloka, anaikantikatva was shown by Siddhanti. Anaikantikattvena anumanasya amanatve. Purvapakshi had done anumanam. Siddhanti showed vyabhichara. Purvapakshi's anumana sadhya was Tatvika Bheda. Siddhanti said there is no Tatvika Bheda. When this is established now, Amanatve Sthite Phalitama. Then what is the conclusion? Ataha Atma Bheda Krito Vyavaharo Murusha Eva Ityartha. Therefore, Atma Bheda Krita Vyavahara. The Vyavahara which is there because of Atma Bheda is mithya, is prasha, ityartha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti